If you are getting into prop trading, watch this first. Today we are comparing FundedNext and FundingPips. Both platforms are prop trading firms. They give you funded accounts so you can trade without risking your own money. Let's start with FundedNext. FundedNext is one of the more established prop firms. It offers multiple account types and scaling plans. You also get profit splits and some payouts even during evaluation. Now, funding pips. Funding pips is newer but growing fast. It focuses on simple rules and faster payouts. Many traders like it for its straightforward approach. Here's the main difference. Funded Next offers more structured programs and options. Funding Pips is simpler and more trader friendly. Looking at features, Funded Next offers scaling plans, different challenges, and profit sharing. Funding Pips offers quick payouts, simple rules, and fewer restrictions. In terms of rules, Funded Next can be slightly stricter depending on the account type. Funding Pips is often more flexible. Now, pricing both require an upfront fee for challenges. Pricing depends on account size and plan. So, Funded Next is better for structured growth and long term scaling. Funding Pips is better for simplicity and faster payouts. So, which one should you choose? Choose Funded Next if you want more options and structured programs. Choose Funding Pips if you want simple rules and quick payouts. Both have pros and cons. It depends on your trading style. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.